I did not meet Kate, you know. You know, Kate and my sister, not be so that they do something. You understand? I'm not here to teach you your talk or how to do your thing, but I'm here to let you know. You know, say get some kind of certain things that they do. Now they make her to invite somebody come person house or party or anything. It go they add. Imagine you come to somebody party. The only thing that I was so interested in for everything about the party was how people look. It's not good. Are you living in Dortmund? No, I'm living in Bayern. How person dress, how person not dress, that one not supposed to be your problem at all. Your problem is supposed to be how you yourself look. Because sometimes your own taste could be different from another person's taste. I'm not here to tell you now, say, wait till you wear when you go to look what other people wear. No. You like what you wear for body. What you wear is also not bad. But for me, I did not see anybody there that there were nobody there that did not dress fine. Everybody there were looking great. You understand? We all know what we are putting on. But you trying to say that Germany women know they dress, that was totally wrong, my dear, because Germany, yeah, I could understand where you are coming from, because Germany, yeah, we know they wear shower clothes. Mama, good afternoon. I greet you, Mama. Good afternoon. We know they wear shower clothes here. Before you will see where they buy shower clothes for Germany, if they add, you understand? So to get normal clothes here for Germany is expensive. Except say sometimes we will still wait, make they do sales before we will still buy ya. Sometimes when you go to shop, you know how much they put for dress. You they wait for angable time, they still reduce her before you buy. You will hardly find all those Chinese shops here in Germany. Where you go, you hardly find those Chinese shops here. That make us some of them go they say, Germany women not they dress. If I say na Kate be the first person where they talk, I they lie. Not be Kate, I don't fear you. I don't fear you when that person talk and say Germany women not they dress. So yeah. Because they don't get shower clothes for Germany, like Kosa. Shower clothes not they Germany. You know, they like other country. Now when you busy, you will see that they get different expensive fake marker, or maybe like Dio, like Louis Vuitton. All those things are fake, not be original. Because even to get the original at the shop is not easy. You understand me? All those fake things is not in Germany. That is what you must know. We don't have it here. So that is why you like, oh, these people, they know they dress. Germany people, they dress. So I'm not going to say that, oh, this is how much I bought the bag I hold. This is how much I bought the clothes. It makes no sense. To me, it's childish. I was there, me personally, I was there to enjoy. I was not there to look at what you put on your body, the dress you wear. That was not my reason of being there. So I don't care what any person wear. Let me tell you, at the end of the day, it's not what you put on your body that counts. It's your person. Just like the way they talk on her. Esther talk show, she's nice person. Princess Ivierio, Epa Murphy, Rita Marley, everybody was so kind. We enjoy ourselves, we take selfie. That is the most important thing. Waiting anybody put for body, no day important. So Kate, no they do like that again. That's one for the dress. Another thing, how you go they come somebody party, you will carry something to eat, follow body. I don't know whether you taste food for a parcel, but that was even wrong. Trying to say, and I wait till I carry because I wait till I buy. Why were you there the first place? There is no way I will go to a party and I will not eat. Bro, now money I spent till reach there. I bought my ticket, I pay for my hotel room. You will still go there, you will still spray. So you feel say all those things where you do before you get there. Tomorrow the person will not come out and tell you that, oh, you can't eat my food for party. Now food they pursue you, they go. No. You love the person, that is why you are there. So if somebody come out tomorrow and mock you that you come and eat in my party, it makes no sense. Nobody is even going to take that serious. Because at the end of the day, you spend money before you get there. It's the truth, people. Sometimes we don't see things in a different way. We just see things only one side. I know I met tomorrow now. They'll come say I don't go eat there. Oh. No. You spend your money before you get there. You love this person. That is why you went there. So nobody's going to come out tomorrow and mock you, say you go chop there. So for me, if I invite you to my party, you carry something to follow body eat, it means that you don't like me. It means that you didn't even want it to come. You just come based on saying me, they don't say you not dead there. You just come based on saying me, they don't say you not dead there. It's okay. No problem. You understand? You just come based on say many people not all say you not dead there. That was wrong, my sister. Oh. You understand? Because now those kind of character, you see, I've said it before. As a social media presenter, as a public figure, there are some serious things you guys need to be doing so that when other people watching you, your followers, they know they copy from those kind of things that they do. So carry food, follow body, go somebody party. That one is totally wrong. Someone might see you doing it, will say, I will do amo. Any day when this person will invite me, that's why I go do amo. I'll carry food, follow body, go. Make them not say I go eat there. That is wrong. It's not a right thing. I'm pretty sure that marriage where you do, all of us will congratulate you. Do you understand? That marriage where you do, if you invite someone, the person carry a drink, follow body, come food, you will not be happy. You will not be happy. You see how your marriage was peaceful. Your marriage, you didn't really broadcast it to anybody anyways. You didn't really broadcast it. But the thing was peaceful. A lot of people will celebrate you. Not many past people will come and come talk. You understand? All of, even me, yeah, I shared your picture and say congratulations to you. Because if something good, that they are people, me, I never see where person go marry, another person go to use maths, the spoiler. It's not a good thing. So that is why I congratulated you. So don't speak bad about Germany people, eh? Because shower not did this country. That's just the truth. If you know they see women, they pour those shower for body. Not me say Jama women not they dress. Even Jama way get country. You know they see the clothes that they wear. Jama man can wear one cloth for 1 year. Jama cloth. Jama man. He will wear one cloth. I will send you back if you come with your food. I be all lucky. A Jama man, eh? He will wear one cloth for 1 year. But when you go and look at that jeans where that man wear, it worth 500 euro. This is the kind of dress you see here. If you look at the jeans where Jama go wear, or even somebody living here, it worth how much? This is the kind of shops they have here because Jama people say they don't want to make them spoil their country with all those fake marker. They know they agree. They know they agree at all. You understand? They know they agree. They don't want to make them spoil their country with fake marker. So when you see somebody living in Germany, you can buy a gown for 50, 60, 70, 100 and something euro. It depends. You understand? Sometimes the clothes where you buy, maybe you buy it for 60 or 70 or 80 euro. If you look at the real price of that cloth, it could be 100 and something euro. They make angebots. You understand? So please, my people, let us talk about the good ones. At least you went there, you play. Yeah, I checked the children, of course. I'm checking them, don't worry. Thank you very much. You understand? You went there, speak the positive things that was good. You understand? Before you come to that party, you know you insulted Esther talk show. But you get it there, she still embrace and greet you and still talk. You understand? I know they like people who be say that they put things for mind. They know they let go. It's very, very bad. People, they know they let go of something, especially those ones who you know even when you know offend. They go claim say you offend, and they'll still get you for mind. It's very, very, very bad. You understand? It's very bad. So a good man with they use good eye and good mind till they follow each other. It's very, very important. Not bad mind. It's not good at all. Sometimes the way you guys are behaving is very bad. The kind of things that comes out from your mouth. Okay, let's go to that area now. You're afraid that you come together with Sarah T-Boss. If Sarah T-Boss, where I want to tell you that what you put for body not day important. Now what it comes out from your mouth. If Sarah T-Boss, if she want to pull a crowd on Facebook, she know the wear fire clothes come out. Now Breza will fight. That's Sarah T-Boss say they put crowd on Facebook. Have you think about it? That's a wear fire cloth for body. If fire cloth for body, if it too day important, why she not they wear that kind of clothes when she wear follow you come party, come Facebook. May you see if she can pull 11,000 crowd. Now fight a bra. Now she tell they put crowd for Facebook. Maybe you see some things, maybe somebody wear a short nigga. Let me tell you, as for stainless, so that one, now MC that she be. She be MC, you understand? As a MC or whatever, she can put on anything where she won't put on her choice, you understand? Because me not see anybody not dress wear that the way you won't try to talk to. When Sarah T-Boss won't put crap for Facebook, not be part of brush she dey wear. You dey see her say she dey wear gun. You dey see her say she dey put cloth of 1,000 euro for body. Now part of brush she say they put crowd. Sometimes when I use the find trouble, where trouble not there. All in the name of I want to say something. Or you want to bring your own fellow sister, fellow brother down. My sister Kate, you need to bring this your attitude down now because it's getting too much. Oh. Last time I checked, people that acted the way you acted, at the end of the day, now you owe too much. Now they call tell them you owe too much, you owe too much. Now everybody you follow quarrel. Now so now their name be that one. Now wait till the end there. Okay? In your own rule, you are good. In your own way, you are good. But break it down a little bit. Not they from this one, they enter this one. From this one, they enter this one. Not good. Not they from this one, they enter this one. From this one, body go enter the other. From the other body go enter. It's not good. You understand? If you have something you want to teach people, teach. It's not nice at all. At the end of the day, it's going to be like your own is too much. That's what is going to end your own case. Because you don't over they do now. You don't over they talk. I get it because we're Facebook. Took your time to celebrate. You just new married. People that marry court marriage. You never even do your own honeymoon. Even if you have been married with this man for a long time, at least you do court marriage. There are some certain things you should be busy with now, not problem. Of course, so Odiono Sage is a very nice guy. I swear that guy is so nice, eh? Hey God, that guy. Really, you need to go back to your man. Eh? You have a good man right there. You don't know. I don't know if you guys have come back, but you have a good man right there. For real, girl. You have a good man. He looks nice, tall guy, dark skin guy. Ija. You get that one move for. Single girls, the verse, so they not they laugh at all, eh? Go back to your mouth. You understand, Kate? Don't be so, eh? There are some certain things you should be busy with now. Busy. Enjoy your cassava. You understand? Not to come out and abuse this one. Sometimes, let's go of some certain things. Okay, my sister? I just make I tell you, because we don't get shower for this country. Before you refer to German women, say they not sabi dress. No problem, I hear you. We not sabi dress because we not get shower. But if you look at the cloth what would they wear for body, you check the name, go to shop and price it. Go to shop and price the cloth. You know say a cloth now we put for body. You know say not be €5 cloth. Apart from AliExpress, so we still they buy, say they miss her sometimes. Because I'm not going to sell AliExpress. Me too, I do buy something from AliExpress. But when we buy German shop, something that is not on AliExpress, you know say this thing. Sometimes too, I advise people, don't just put money on the cloth. Wait on arguable time. We know the time when they do sales for this country. You wait. The time of sales, you go buy. Alex Clan? The time of sales, you go buy them. You understand? Now, better cloth that they see for Germany, the one they see fake cloth. He says it's okay. So now, that one I just want to talk. I don't want to really talk too much. You understand? So I thank you, everyone who took your time to also celebrate with a pa. Most of you were not there. You drop your comments, your like, your love, everything. Thank you very much. We so much appreciate your like and comments on our pictures and video. We appreciate you guys so much. So that's why I talk and reach my people. I'm outside chilling with my children. We are having a great time. We are having a great time, you know. So please, Kate, all these kind of shops were there for Belgium, Italy, and other country. I would have loved it. Oh, me personally, I would have loved it. I would have loved it for real. I would have loved it if we have it, but we don't. Jama here to buy clothes is expensive, so you must know this one. So not be saying that by maths. Come shop, maybe you can't check. I can't see the shops we have here. You will see it. That is why you say Jama women not sabi dress. We sabi dress. Now the kind of clothes what we see here now we they buy. So thank you very much, my people. I appreciate that. I love Epa so much. Please, so Epa is a very nice man. He's very, very nice. He's nice. Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Of course, we all need love. Nice love we need. More would throw away quarrel. You understand? Quarrel not the help. So I appreciate you guys. Kate, my sister, please, next time when you go to somebody's birthday or party, whatever, anything that person celebrate, let us celebrate with that person finish before you start to complain. You understand? Facebook people, they have their eyes. Facebook people have their eyes. They know who dress, they know who not dress. Let them be the judge. It's not even, you don't even have right to be saying all that. You understand? You don't even have right to be saying all that. They are watching us on live video, so let them say what they want to say. So not be you supposed to talk that kind of thing. I didn't expect it from you, but it's all good, my sister. So one love, my people. Thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. Have a nice day. Eh? See my madam, she there here. She dey wait for me. Sack hello, Jessie. Sack hello. Wave your hand. Wave your hand. Let us see you. Do like this. Do like that. Sack hello. Hello. My oga madam. AKA the trouble. I'm telling you, with time, if she don't stop this from year to year problem, with time she will be worse than she will be worse than with time. Now so until they start small. Now so until they start small. Now so until they start small. Before you know it, you will come to a level where no going back. Small. All those trouble, you can't do a level of no going back. If you not do trouble one day, you not go rest. That's how they start. Thank you very much, Pretty. Thank you. That's how the tea they start. But please, my people, we need to reduce our problem. I beg. All right, people, have a blessed day. Bye-bye. Happy Sunday to everyone.